so I'm super excited about tomorrow because I'm going to Ulta and they're having their family and friends 20% off entire purchase event, and I'll be there and I'll be doing some serious shopping, so I'm super excited about that. And for those of you who don't know, I do go to Ulta just about once a week, so if you have any requests on a specific product to get reviewed, leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to check out the product, possibly purchase it, and for sure review it. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed, do so, because I have a giveaway that's coming up and I have some wonderful products that are going to be included in it. So I have a video that I'll be posting and it has all the information in regards of the giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. Alright, ladies, have a beautiful Friday and enjoy the rest of your day. Adios.